Welcome to Mint Canvas Studio. Today I'll show you the new and improved version of our Essential Finance Tracker. We designed this tool to simplify tracking your income and expenses, making it easier to use even for a Google Sheet beginner. As usual, the link will be in the description box below. This template is very simple. There's an instruction page, a setup page, the annual dashboard, the 12 monthly tabs, and the savings page. The instruction page summarizes this video, with its link at the top. If you don't need it anymore, you can click on the little arrow by the tab's name and select Hide Sheet or delete it. As usual, the only cells you will interact with are the ones with a white background. To personalize the template, go to the Setup page. Select the starting month in the top left corner and write the year. You can start using the template whenever you prefer. You can also keep using the template for many years to come. Just keep the blank original as a copy. Once you select the month, the other tabs will adapt according to your choice. You will then select your currency. This template works with every currency. Just input a symbol in the white cell, so it will appear whenever a currency is written. Then you can input your starting balance to keep track of your earnings and spending throughout the year. You can leave the cell empty if you prefer to track only your monthly income. Below, the monthly table will show you the respective links to the monthly tabs, making it easier to navigate the template. Now you can fill in your drop-downs. Whenever you want to add a new item to a drop-down, you will do so on this page, and the item will appear in the drop-down menus of each month. In the first drop-down, you will input all your sources of income, whether it's your main job or a side hustle. The expenses and bills category refers to all the expenses. You don't need to be specific, just think of your expenses as macro categories. The last drop-down will include all your preferred payment methods. Once you're done customizing, you can skip the dashboard and go to the first monthly tab. Each monthly tab works the same. To begin, go to the Income Transactions table. Add the day you received the payment, select the income source from the drop-down, and add the amount. Moving on to the Expenses table, you will need to input the day paid and then choose the category from the drop-down menu. You can be more specific in the description column to remember where you spent your money exactly. And then add the amount paid. Finally, input the payment method and you're done. Each table will have its total overview at the top of the page. You will see the monthly overview of your income, expenses, and savings. These savings will be pulled from the corresponding page and counted as expenses. The amount left will be calculated by removing the expenses and savings from the monthly income. Finally, you will see the total balance, which sums the starting balance with the amount left each month. The chart will summarize the monthly overview table. On the right, you will see 3 charts display an overview of your income, expenses, and payment methods. They will show where most of your money comes from, where most of your money goes, and your preferred payment methods. Moving on, we reach the Savings page, where you can track up to 5 savings. If you have an expense you need to save up for, you can monitor it here. In the table, customize the saving name, choose a deadline by double-clicking the cell, select the day from the calendar that appears, and input your budget. The table will calculate how much you saved, how much is left to pay, and how many days are left. It will also show you the progress. The table below will tell you how much money you put in your savings per month. It will also allow you to go back to the monthly tabs by clicking on the numbers. To track your payments, input them in the corresponding saving table. Each table summarizes your progress at the top and shows you the budget, the amount paid, and the amount left. Start tracking the savings by selecting a date under the Day Paid cell. Double-click on the cell and pick a date from the little calendar that appears. Then input the amount paid. This will be considered as an expense in the corresponding monthly tab. Finally, we go back to the dashboard. It's a read-only page that summarizes each section of this template. On the left, there is a little calendar. The date will change automatically and today will always be highlighted. Below is a navigation menu. You can use it to reach each page quickly and easily. The links will not change if you rename the monthly tabs. So if you name your month 1 January, for example, the table will automatically connect to that month. The annual dashboard will show you the monthly breakdown of your income, expenses, and savings, and amount left. It will also show you the total balance for each month. The chart beside the table will be a visual representation of your annual overview, and the one below will show you the total balance overview. Below, we included monthly breakdowns from highest to lowest. You will see your best earning months, the months where you spend the most, and finally, the months where you saved the most. Finally, we included a savings overview table. Select the saving name from the drop-down, and a quick overview will appear. It will show you the deadline, the budget, the amount paid, the amount left, the days left, and the overall progress. A donut chart will show you the percentage of how much you paid compared to what is left to pay. What do you think of this new finance tracker? We kept it simple and essential. But if you are looking for something different, we also have a finance tracker with multiple bank accounts, a debt tracker, and other features. The links will be in the description. We hope that this planner inspires you to start managing your money efficiently. Thank you so much for watching, and happy planning!